Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our Python learning series. In day 1, we learned Python basics, variables and data types. In day 2, we learned how Python makes decisions using if, elif and else. Today we are going to learn loops. What are loops? Loops are very useful because they help us repeat tasks without writing the same code again and again. Okay, let's first understand what is a loop. A loop is used to repeat a block of code multiple times. Instead of writing the same statement repeatedly, we ask Python to repeat it for us. Let me give you a real life example. Okay, here you need to write I'm learning Python 10 times. It is very easy. Let me tell you if you're like, imagine your teacher asks you to write, I'll complete my homework 100 times. Would you type it 100 times manually? Probably not, right? If you had a magic button that repeated the sentence 100 times, how it will be? Your work would be much easier. That's exactly what a loop does. It repeats work automatically. Okay, see, loop will make our work easier. Okay, you know this loop right now. Okay, why do we need a loop, guys? This is a question for you. Why do we need loops? Why do we need loops? See, we are printing this print of Python, print of Python, print of Python, print of Python, print of Python. 5 times we have written this statement. Like this, if you asked, like if I ask you to write 1,000 times, will you write it? Huh? No, right? It's impossible like that. No, let me write this statement for you all. Okay, print of Python. We'll get an output. Okay, but code won't look nice. How many times you are going to write? 1,000 times. It's a boring thing and much time waster. Let me copy this, paste ಮಾಡುವ. ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದು 5 times paste ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ 5 times Python ನ paste ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ print statement ನ. ಈಗ execute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. If I save it and execute, I'm going to get Python, Python, Python 5 times. It is printed. See, if I say that this can be solved by using only 2 lines of code, see, same output. You can see this output, right? Same this printed Python 5 times, right? This same output can I write in 2 lines of code? How guys? How can you write in 2 lines of code? By using for loop. That is for I in range of 5. We need 5 Python to be printed, right? So then we are going to print the statement. Print of I. So now we are going to get 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Oh, sorry. I want to print Python, right? So I should type Python. 5 times I need Python. So it is printing Python. Okay. See, if I print in 2 lines of code only, I can print the same output. Like that, you can use for printing 1,000 times also. See how loop will make your work much easier. See, this is the with loop. With loop, this is without loop. Without loop, you can write. Without using loop also, you can write the Python, but it will take much time. But only 2 lines of code. How many minutes you will take to write that code? Loop reduces code and make programs easy. Okay. What is range? Now let us learn range. Range means it is going to generate a sequence of numbers. Range, it is a generate sequence of numbers. See a range of 5. Okay. Before that, we want to learn this statement for I in range of 5. 5 colon. Okay. What is this for keyword? See, sorry, I said the answer itself. What is this for? For is a keyword. Okay. For it is a keyword in Python. It is going to tell Python that we are going to start a loop. Then what is this high? High. High, it is a looping variable. Okay. High, it is a loop variable. It is going to store the values, that is range, which are the numbers which are produced by range. It is going to store by high. Okay. And this is range of 5. It tells Python to generate 5 numbers. Okay. If it is in case like that range of 10 means, it tells Python to generate 10 numbers. That's it. Okay. Next comes what is range, guys. Range means it will generate a sequence of numbers. Let us try with this one small program. See, for I in range of 5 colon printed Python. Now I will change this to, I'm just printing this I variable only. I loop variable only I am going to print. What is the output, guys? What output we are going to get here? Range means what? Sequence of numbers. What many 99% of the beginners will make this mistake. What is that mistake? Later I am going to tell that mistake. First tell me what is the output you are going to get here. See, if you know the answer, please do comment in the comment section. Let us see. Why is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Anyone knows why it is printing from 0, 1, 2, 3 and it is stopping at 4? Why? Because see, here for I in range of 5, we have used only one number. By default, it is start with this Python. It will start from 0. Okay. And it will start printing 1, 2, 3, 4. And at 4, it is going to stop because it will stop before 5. So the last number is printed as 4. Like that, it is going to print. Okay. How this works, you know now. Let us see the next. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is the mistake. Many people think 1, 2, 3, 4. They will think this 5 is also included in the range. But no, it is excluded. Before that, whatever the values will be coming, it will be included. See, it will start from 0 by default. So 0 is printed. Next comes for loop. Okay. And before that, we'll understand what is this high. High, it is a loop variable. Okay. Loop variable name. High, it is a variable and loop variable name. See, I, it is a loop variable name. It stores each value produced by the range. Okay. First I becomes 0. I becomes 0, then 1 and 2 and then 4. Like that. Okay. We'll move. What is for loop? What is for loop, guys? See, this is the syntax for loop. I said for it is a keyword. For it is the keyword that it is going to tell Python that we are going to start a loop. Okay. And what this is the syntax for loop. For variable, that is we can use high here, variable high. Then in range of value, we are going to give some numbers. And then we are going to write the statement. This is the syntax for loop. And we have used also in the code. Okay. See, you can see we have used this for in the code also. Uh, See, this I have shown you, right? For I in range of for I in range of 5 colon print of 5, it is going to print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Python starts from 0 and goes up to 4. Each value is stored in high and printed. That's it. Next. Okay. Let me ask you how you are going to print hello 5 times. Hmm? I've shown you, right? Instead of hello, I have printed Python here. In the previous one small code, I have shown you, right? For I in range of 5, I have printed Python instead of hello. Like that only you can print 5 times hello. See? Otherwise, you're going to use without a loop, that is print of hello, print of hello. That's not correct. You can use this for loop. It will make code look clean and it will take less time. Next. Okay. I should explain this one. Okay. Let us go to a program. See, I'm going to change this. Okay. For I in range of 5, only one number I have given. In range, there is a start, end, and set. Sorry, set, not set. Like, yeah, set function. Step. Okay. Start, end, step. Step means jump. Start means starting value. End means it is the stopping point. Okay. Now, let me include one value. Like, start point is 1 and ending point is 6, and let me give step as 2. Okay, I'll explain all the three in this example only. See, now if I print this, what output I am going to get? Let me remove this step. I don't need that. First, what output we are going to get, guys? What output we are going to get this? See, 1 comma 6. Are we going to get from 0 to 6? 0 to 6 we are going to get like previous example? No, right? We have included strictly that it should start from 1 only. So it is going to start from 1 and it is going to execute the program. And at what point it is going to stop? It is going to stop at 6? No, it is not going to stop at 6. Okay. If you know the answer, please do comment in the section. Let me show the answer. See what output we are going to get now. See, it is printing. It is starting from 1, next 2, then 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 it is printing. The 6 is excluded, but it is included in the range, but it is excluded while printing. Okay. See the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you understood, right? Range of 1 comma 6 means start from 1, end before 6. It will end before 6. So 5 is last value. Next, step value. I have said this is start, this is end, and this is step. How many times you want the number to jump? This is jump value. Step value is also called as jump value. So how many times you want the number to jump? Like that. Let me show you that. Here 1 comma 6 comma 2. Okay. If I save it, how many times it will jump? 2 times. Tell me now what is the output I am going to get now. If I print, this is start and end. This is start, end, and step value. How many times it is going to jump? 2 times, right? So what is the output I am going to get now? Do tell me. If anyone knows the answer, do tell me in the comment section. See what happened to this. Correct only, but not printing. Yes, see now it is printing. The starting value is 1 and then it will go, but before that it will go up to range 6. But there is a step function like two values should be jumped, so it will skip, like it will jump to, then it will print 3. Okay, then like that it will skip 4, like that 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and it will jump to and give print as 5, like that. If I give a range from 1 to 11, then how it will be, see, like this. 1, it will jump to and it will give 3, like that it will jump 2 times and give 5, like that. See, 7, 9, it will print like that. Okay, I hope you know the answer now. Okay, now you learned about range, that is the start, end, and step values. See, this is the main you should remember. Range of start, comma, end, comma, step. Start, it is starting number. End, it is stopping point. Step, jump value. This ending stopping point. See, whatever the range, like 1 comma 6, 6 will not be included, but before that value will be printed. Next, sum of numbers. See guys, we have to execute this program, sum of numbers. Come, let us try. We need to do sum. Sum is equals to 0. See, this is the assignment operator. Here, sum, it is a variable. 0, it is a value. And we are assigning this 0 to a sum, that is variable. Now, for it is a keyword, it will tell Python to that we are going to start a loop. And high, it is a variable loop. In range, we are given 1 comma 6. Okay, and we are telling sum is equals to sum plus high. Okay, it will do sum and print. We need the statement like this: sum is comma sum. If anyone know the answer, see, if you already anyone know this answer, please do mention the answer in the live chat or any comment section. Okay, come, let us see the program. Now sum is equals to 0. Okay, sum is equals to 0. I'm using for loop for I in range, for I in range of 1 comma 6. Okay, 1 comma 6. Next, sum is equals to, I am going to sum. Okay, sum plus high. Print of, I need sum is, comma, I need sum is, right? Sum is and sum, whatever the value, that sum value I'm getting, that sum I need. So sum plus high. See, now I should get the answer. Or you can mention just this also. Sum, only sum you can mention, because sum plus high, it will be, the sum plus high, it will be stored in sum. Okay, come, let us see the output. What we are going to get? Sum is 15. Why? Sum is, initially sum is 0. Okay, 0 will be stored. Yes, 0 will be stored. 0 plus high. High value is the starting number 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1. Next, it will, high will be changed in the range like 2. Next will be, the I will be next to 1 only. I will be 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, how much? 2, right? 1 plus 2 plus. Okay, like that. Next, the high value will be incremented. 2, it will go to 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus I value. Sorry, here what will be the value here? 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Like that it is going to print and add. And then we are going to get the sum as 15. See here. See here. You can see Python adds numbers step by step. 1 plus 2 plus, like this you are going to get the values and you are getting the final sum as 15. Next comes multiplication table. See, you can print any number of tables like 2 ones are you need, 3 ones are, or any number of tables or all the tables you can print. So this is a simple program. Let me show you. Okay. Now this printing sum of numbers is over. Now multiplication. Okay. We are going to do this multiplication and we are going to print some multiplication table. Now it is a variable and int. It is a data type and input, enter enter a number. Okay. Next, for I in range of 1 comma 11. Okay, I'm printing tables, right? Tables will be mostly like 1 to 10 in the range, so I'm printing 1 to 11. So print num num. How it will be num, like if I enter the number as 2, then the number will be 2 2 into, right? For each you should give comma, then in double quotes write into. Okay, you can give star also. Into comma, then what? 2 into 1 1, right? 1 means the high value, so high in double quotes, see comma, don't forget, in double quotes equals 2 into 1 equals some number 2, like that. So for that, comma num star high, right? Yes. Now our table is ready. Just we need to save and print. See, let me run it. How I will get? See, it is asking me to enter a number. What number I will enter? Some whatever value my mind comes. Like me enter 4. See, now I am easily getting the fourth one table. 4 ones a table I am getting now. Like that you can print any number of tables. Okay, almost we are ended the session. I hope you are watching these sessions daily. Day 1 and day 2 is already uploaded in the live stream, and I'm going to upload in the videos also. Just look at it, okay? Yes, see, this loops run 10 times, range of 10, whatever the range you are going to get. This loop, it will repetition, okay, repetition, it is called loop. So it will run 10 times and prints multiplication table. Common mistakes, forgetting indentation. Indentation means space. You should not miss the spaces. Indentation is following very important. Okay, otherwise you are going to get indentation error. Next, wrong range values. You should not give a wrong range values. Okay. And next, last number. Thinking that last number is included in range. Suppose if you give 1 comma 6, you should not think that 6 it is included in the range. Okay, that means if you are thinking that 6 it is included in the range and it is going to print 6. No, you should not think that. It will print before 6. Okay, and you will get the values as 1 to 5. Like, see where we are going to use these loops in real life, like sending emails. Whenever we want to send emails, we are going to use these loops. Okay, and processing data. Okay, when sometimes we need to process data n times, so we use these loops for repetitions. And printing reports, report printing, okay, websites, games, AI and automation, like this we use loops. And these are the practice questions for you guys. You should follow and do comment in the section whatever the answer it comes. Okay. This print numbers from 1 to 10, 20. I have shown you 1 to 10. You should uh, give me the answer for this question. And even numbers you should print. Okay, I have shown you odd number, how it is printed. You should show me how this even numbers will be printed. Next, Python printing 10 times. I have shown you 5 times Python, how it will be printed. Okay, just change the number and you will get the output. And print multiplication table of 8. Easy, right? And sum of first 10 numbers. Okay. I hope you understood this session. Thank you. Bye. Ending this session. See, today we have completed this.